This double-decker bus is one of my favorite Lego sets this year. It features a red exterior with nice sticker signs on the surface. It is 6-star wide, so you have basically one line of seats, and it comes with 4 minifigures. You can open up the front door to the driver's seat. You can open the main door for the passenger to come in. I really like they have a baby minifigure, and there's a whole new stroller mode, and you actually can attach the stroller to the bus to keep the baby safe. Really nice design. On the top you have the sightseer seats, and you can have 4 on the second floor, and of course you can open up and have the stairs go from the first floor to the second floor. On the back you have this is a electric bus, so you have the chargers here, and on the front we can switch the plates to indicate where you are going as destination. So overall, very solid build. I really like it, and I'm sure it fits into your city very nicely.